chicken pastil is on the way. So we're drying a bit, then later we will serve it. So this is not too spicy, tama lang. But savory and flavored siya because I put up some, vegetable para dumami siya ng konti. But it's just like 1/4 chicken. So, diba? So, you can ulam this for a week. Konti lang kayo, but for lakas kayo kumain, ubos agad. Thank you guys.